Hello! In this video, I'll show you how to set up coupon sync and automatic affiliate commissions using paid member subscriptions and Affiliate Press. To sync paid member subscriptions with Affiliate Press, first you need to enable the paid member subscriptions integration. Go to the Affiliate Press settings page. Now open the Integrations tab. This is the Affiliate Press Integrations page. Enable the paid member subscriptions integration and save the changes. Changes saved successfully. Now go to the paid member subscriptions discount codes page. This is the paid member subscriptions discount codes page. Here you can add new discount codes. Now click the Add New Discount Code button. This is the Add New Discount Code page. Enter the discount code name, promotion code, and configure the discount code settings according to your requirements. Here you can see the Affiliate Press affiliate user option. Here you can search for Affiliate Press affiliate users and assign this code to the selected affiliate user. Configure all the settings according to your requirements and save the discount code. The code has been saved successfully. Now go to the Affiliate Press Coupons page. This is the Affiliate Press Manage Coupons page. Here you can see the synced coupon list and also create new coupons. Here you can see the newly added paid member subscriptions coupon record. If you do not want to select an affiliate user directly in paid member subscriptions, you can also assign the coupon from here. This is the Affiliate Press Add Coupon tab. Select the affiliate user, source, coupon status, and coupon. We are not saving it right now because this coupon code has already been used for another affiliate user. Now go to the front-end subscription plans purchase page. This is the subscription plans page. Here you can see the available plans. Now select any plan you want to purchase. This is the discount code text field. Enter the discount code and click the Apply button. The discount code has been applied successfully. Enter the required details, select the payment method, and click the Register button. As you can see, the user has been registered and the plan has been purchased successfully. Now go to the back-end Affiliate Press Commission page. This is the Affiliate Press Commission page. Here you can see all commission-related records. See, the first record is the newly added commission, and as you can see, the source is paid member subscriptions. That's it. This is how coupon synchronization works between Affiliate Press and paid member subscriptions.
Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel.